Ring from their doorbell cameras. All right, when you think of ADT, what's the first word that comes to mind? Cool, right? A lot of the coolest products that we see at CES every year are the phones. So I just came out of the Quibi keynote address. All right, now you may know if you've watched this channel for a while that I'm a huge Roku fanboy, and that is thanks in no small part to TCL's Roku TVs. When you think of CES, you probably think of the LG booth. They have the coolest booth every year with their TV setups. So ADT is actually doing something really, really different. They just announced a new integration, something called Blue by ADT. To help me out with this, I'm bringing in Sherry from Whistle Out. What have you seen this year that is actually blowing your mind? And then what are you seeing this year that people should actually be excited about getting to use?
Right. So there are a few trends that we're seeing with the phones.
Quibi, I'm actually pretty excited about it. They have promised to revolutionize the way that we consume video on our phones. 8K, look, it's not going to be for your 40-inch TV or something. It's just not needed in a screen that size. 4K is going to work just great.
But so with the other trend we're seeing besides phones that aren't that practical are the light version of phones from different carriers.
The other thing that they're going to be doing is taking advantage of the gyroscope in your phone. Like I said, it's optimized not only for landscape mode like we're used to with our TVs, but for portrait mode like we're used to with our phones. Solar powered version of all of those. So a path light, here's a spotlight. We've got the floodlight down here. And then also a step light as well. And then LG is showing a dual screen situation where you can actually slide your phone into a dock that gives you, it's almost like a 3DS, like a Nintendo situation, right? Coolest TV tech that we're seeing this year at CES. It's not just the kind of bendy TVs that we're seeing behind me here. They have fully rollable TVs. They've got glassless 3D TVs. They've got ultra thin TVs, 8K TVs, all sorts of stuff. Yeah, like I said, ADT may not have historically been the coolest brand out there, but they are doing some things that I think really bring them in line with the rest of the industry. They're promising 3 hours of content every day between the movies, the TV style shows, and then those daily essentials. But for me, the more exciting thing is what you mentioned earlier, where these kind of stripped down versions of the really, really nice phones that we've seen for the last few years. Door kind of security ecosystem with the lighting and the locks, not just on your door, but the gate as well. ADT is a whole smart home solution, right? So whether they succeed ultimately is going to be up to me and you later. I guess we'll see.